Everybody speaks English, no mistakes.
What is this?
It is a table.
What is that?
It is a chair.
What are these?
They are cups.
What are those?
They are spoons.
What is this?
Rosie, that is a table. You asked me already.
I know. I am checking.
Checking what?
If it is still a table.
It is still a table, Rosie.
Good. Things change.
Rosie, listen. It is a table. It's a table.
They are the same.
They are the same. One is short.
Why is there a short one?
Because people talk fast.
Why do people talk fast?
Rosie,
It is a real question.
it's a table. It's a chair. It's a cup.
It's.
And for many, they're cups. They're spoons.
What's this?
Rosie, you did the short one.
What's that? What are those? What's this?
She learned it in 10 seconds.
She asks the same question 40 times a day. 40 times a day is a lot of practice.
What's this?
Johnny, it is your bowl. You know your bowl.
I know. But I like the question.
What's in the bowl?
Nothing.
Why is there nothing in the bowl?
Rosie. That is the best question in this house.
Robert, they are a problem together.
They are two animals asking questions in English. 6 months ago, one of them said, "Woof."
Fine. They are not a problem.
What's this, Chloe?
It's a spoon.
What's this?
It's a cup.
What's this?
Rosie, that is your foot.
I know. I wanted to hear you say it.
It's your foot.
Thank you.
Robert. Why did she do that?
Because now it is her foot and you said so.
Robert, that is a strange reason.
She is new here, Chloe. New animals check everything.